Welcome, everybody. If you're here for the first time, please remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel and make sure you hit on the notification bell so that whenever we drop a video, YouTube will notify you about that. So as we continue in our class, this is the part three of how to compute students' results in Microsoft Excel. Now, today we're going to look at a range of cells. Range of cells. For the first one, we're going to look at the range of cells. Now, when we talk about range of cells, this is a cell, this one is a cell, this one is a cell, right? On the same row. So now, as I click on this number 28, that's the row header. As I click on 28 as the row header, it selected a range of cells all through to the end. Are we getting it now? So this one is a range of cells. So I may decide to select a range of cells from the column header by clicking on the column, one of the column header. So this one is a range of cells from the column header. Or if I say a range of cells, I may decide to select from this particular angle. Click, hold my mouse, click and hold my mouse, then drag through to the number of cells I wish to select. So this one, as I select this one, I've selected like how many columns now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. How many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. 6 columns, 6 rows. These ones, they are range of cells. So if I ask you to select a range of cells, this is what you're going to do. Now, secondly, we are going to learn how to merge a cell. How can we merge a cell? What do we mean by merging a cell? We mean we're trying to combine 2 or 3 cells to become one single active cell. We are going to combine 2 or more cells to become one single active cell. So now, before you merge a cell, you have to select a range of cells before you convert it or before you merge it. So now this is what I mean. If I click, hold, and drag my mouse through to the number of cells that I wanted to match, maybe 2 rows or 3 rows like this, then I will look at my ribbons now. From the Home tab, we have clipboard ribbon, font ribbon, alignment ribbon, number ribbon, style ribbon, and so on and so forth. So look at the alignment ribbon. You will see match and center. All you need to do is just click on the match and center. So match and center now selected or match these cells to become one single active cell. It has selected it to become one single active cell. I believe you are getting what we are doing. So now this one is a single cell. You can still unmerge it by selecting on the merge and center again. It will come back to normal. So you can merge a cell and unmerge the cells. Now, the next thing we're going to learn is how to expand or reduce the size of a cell. How to expand or reduce the size of a cell, be it vertically, that is using the column side, or be it horizontally, which means using the row side. So if this is my active cell and I wanted to type my name, I know if I type my name, it will be longer, the character will be longer than the cell size. For example, Samson Albert. So it's longer than the column side. Now, looking at this name, you would think that this Albert is written in the second cell, while no, that is not how it works. If I click on this cell, you could see my name inside this formula bar. Samson Albert is a full. But how can you fit the cell to the name that is inside? So you may choose to do it. You may choose to increase or expand the size of a cell horizontally using this. Look at my mouse now. I have a white cross-like pointer. As soon as I get close in between 31 and 32, my pointer will change to a black sign cross with two arrows pointing up and down. That means I can only click all and select. I can only move up or down. That is what it means. So let me try. Click hold, drag down. I expanded the cell size to the row side. So how can I expand it from the column side? Oh, yes, I can expand it from the column side. If I come in between my column H is where my name is one of the cells where my name is written there, column H. So in between column H and column I come in between that line. So you could see my pointer changing to a cross sign like with arrow in left and right. So that means you can only move left or right. So click, hold, and drag. You expand it to fit your name and release. So now I expanded it both horizontal and vertical. Another method of doing that, fitting a text in a cell, is once you come in between the two lines, between the row where your name is written, you could just between the line, just double click there. It will fit it. Now, let's assume this is how my column is. If I want to fit this particular name in this particular cell, I can just come here and double click. It will fit to the line. So this is what I want you to get for this particular moment till we meet in my next video. So if you are here and you find this video very interesting, you can do us good by sharing to your friends. How? Just like the video, which means you are recommending this video on YouTube to your friends. Thank you. Till we meet in our next class. Bye bye.